Hey folks, take a look at this disaster. I asked Jimbo to explain design automation to the new intern this morning. I came back 20 minutes later and the poor kid was curled up in the fetal position and Jimbo was drawing database schemas and talking about SQL injection and API calls. It was a mess. A textbook Auburn engineering mess. Brilliant? Maybe. Understandable? Not on your life. The intern just wanted to know how to resize a conveyor without redrawing it from scratch. So, I sent Jimbo to go count the inventory in the bolt bin to keep him busy. And I'm going to tell you what he should have said. We're talking about DriveWorks. What it is, why you need it, and why Jimbo turns his nose up at the free version, and why he's wrong. Let's get to work.
If you can't machine it, don't draw the line. We don't waste hours on a bad design. No smoke, no mirrors, no fancy switches. Designed for the build with whistle britches.
First off, what in the Sam Hill is DriveWorks? Simple. It's a robot that lives inside your computer and drives SolidWorks for you. You tell the robot the rules, like, if the length is 10 feet, we need 3 support legs. And the robot builds the 3D models, the assemblies, and the drawings while you go get a cup of coffee. Now, Jimbo likes to make this sound like rocket surgery, but it ain't. It's just capturing the stuff you do every day, the design intent, and putting it into a form so you don't have to think about it again. But here's where folks get confused. There's 3 flavors of this stuff: Express, Solo, and Professional. Think of it like this. DriveWorks Express is the screwdriver that came free with your truck. It's already installed inside every seat of SolidWorks. It's perfect for part level automation or simple assemblies. Jimbo hates it because it doesn't have enough bells and whistles. But let me tell you, sometimes you just need to tighten a screw and you don't need a pneumatic impact gun to get the job done. It's the difference between effectiveness and suitability. See, a bazooka and a fly swatter are both effective at getting rid of a fly, but the fly swatter is much more suitable. Then you got DriveWorks Solo. This is your mechanic's tool chest. It lets you automate drawings, control more advanced features, and preview your models before you build them. It's great for the engineer who sits in the office and cranks out custom orders all day. And finally, DriveWorks Pro. This is the whole factory. We're talking web configurators so customers can order online, database integration, passing info to your ERP system, the works. This is usually what Jimbo tries to build when we only need a toaster. But here's the kicker. You can't build the factory if you don't know how to use the screwdriver. So in this series, we're going to ignore Jimbo's complaints, and we're going to master DriveWorks Express. It's free. It's already on your machine. And if you use it right, it'll save you hours of click, drag, click monotony. Design automation is about taking the boring stuff, the stuff that makes your eyes glaze over, and handing it off to the computer so you can focus on the real engineering. Jimbo's no dummy, don't get me wrong. But sometimes he spends $10 of energy to solve a 10-cent problem. We're gonna start small. In the next video, we're gonna crack open SolidWorks, find that DriveWorks Express tool, and set up our very first project. We gonna pass the wiggle test, and we ain't gonna write a single line of SQL code to do it. I'll catch you in the shop next time.
If you can't machine it, don't draw the line. We don't waste hours on a bad design. No smoke, no mirrors, no fancy switches. Designed for the build with whistle britches.